Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Te vas Alexander.
Ah, me gusta Street 50 Hotel Estadio.
El hotel Street es como estar en casa.
Mi casa, me gusta. ah, Esta es muy excelente.
Es una muy buena opción
En la ciudad.
cuando estamos aquí en la ciudad de Medellín. Bienvenidos.
Sí, sí. Mucho, mucho bueno. Mucho bueno. I will show the guests the room. It's a beautiful hotel. Unfortunately, mi español es limitado. The owner is a very kind man. We just met. He provides muy excelente servicio. Very, very good service. So here on the left, you can see they're very ecologically conscious here in Medellin. They're very into disposing of trash in an organized manner. We have here on the left your ordinary trash, in the middle your plastic trash, and on the right your paper trash. And actually, this city is much better than where I'm from in the US about being conscious of the environment, about recycling. Just show you the balcony here. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, bien. ¿Qué más?
Muy bien, muy bien. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
That's the one of the cleaning ladies. She's really, really friendly. She does a good job and she always has a pleasant attitude. That's something that I really like about this hotel. This is room 207. Just kind of showing you around here. That's something that I really like about this hotel is that when I first arrived, I was a little bit haggard from traveling. Here's the shower. You can see, I'll show you mine as well. But I was a little bit haggard, and they're so friendly here, even from day one, and dealing with all my requests, which weren't extreme, but they're very accommodating here at Hotel 50 Street, Estadio. Estadio being in the neighborhood, the Estadio neighborhood, the Stadium. So here they've got a sort of a kitchenette. If you're interested in cooking, they've got a place here that you can do that. They also serve breakfast. I think it's around an additional $5 US as of the time of making this video. I personally did not for it, not because I don't think it'd be really good, but just I'm not a big breakfast person. But if you are a big breakfast person, I'm sure it's good. I'm sure it's as good as their really good service here. And that's worth considering if you're somebody that does like a breakfast and would prefer to have the convenience of having your breakfast in a hotel. As you can see, they have security throughout the hotel for your safety and protection, and it definitely helps you feel more secure. They're also diligent at the front door about keeping the door closed unless somebody's entering or leaving, so that way you're not having perhaps people from the street able to come in and do things. So I feel like it's more friendly than the security I've encountered at other Medellin hotels where they have these patrols, and it feels a bit overbearing at some hotels, but not here, not at this hotel. This hotel, everything is just really friendly, relaxed, laid back. I really like it. I would recommend it. I think I'm paying around $21.50 US per night for a room like this, and that includes daily cleaning, and they also have a reception that's really good. When I order Rappi, I like to order Rappi. I use Rappi Prime, and I'll likely include a referral link to Rappi Prime in the description. But at this price for this area, it's a safe area. There's good food within walking distance. It's also within walking distance of the Lorales neighborhood. So if you're a fan of places like Salad Pan, and you've heard about, say, Sweet George's Cafe, these places are both really good places to eat. And you can walk to Salad Pan in like 25 minutes. Sweet George's Cafe is about more like a 40-minute walk, but it's a short cab ride. This is back where they do laundry. It's kind of, you can see here they're very diligent about washing the bed sheets. Something that I do like here, this is kind of in that ecological theme we had talked about, is they do try to hang dry some, and that's nice because that definitely reduces electric use. And I'm a fan of efficiency when it still produces the results that we like. So this is my room. I've been staying in number 305, and one moment and I'll get the door. Hey YouTube, why don't we check out my room? This is my room at the Hotel Street 50 Estadio Hotel. And it's pretty quiet, actually. I definitely know that you probably can tell that there's street noise on the street, but actually if you ask for a room like I did, more toward the back, even toward the middle, it actually muffles a lot of the street noise, so I actually sleep really well here. As you can see, each room's got a flat screen TV and then a fan, and the fan does a really good job, and it's definitely energy efficient compared to a much larger unit when you don't need a major fan, when this fan is already pretty powerful. It cools the room off really quickly. As you can see, it comes with a couple of towels also to replenish the soap on a regular basis. They do a really good job of cleaning. This discusses proper hand washing etiquette, and it's really good to see things like that in the COVID times. I didn't show you guys, but actually they do a great job when you come in each time of spraying your hands with disinfectant and also spraying your shoes, and I feel like that does an extra benefit of helping prevent the spread of the pandemic. Some hooks there to hang some things on. The beds are comfortable, by the way. I definitely enjoy sleeping here. I intended to stay here for a few days. I actually ended up extending for several weeks, but anyway, I hope this has been helpful for you, and definitely recommend this hotel. I like staying here. The owner is really friendly. If you want to see more content like this, definitely give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you want to see more content like this, you want to check out some of my other hotel room reviews, definitely check out the other ones I've done in places like the Philippines. So all that being said, thank you for joining us at the Hotel Street 50 Estadio, and we'll see you next time.